My portfolio is nowhere near where I want it to be, but I do want people to know how easy it is to make money from your phone. Now, the strategies you have to use to make this money more efficiently, you know, the research you have to do, the work you gotta actually put in, low-key. Of course, if it was that easy to make millions stock trading, everybody would be making millions stock trading. Even though it's not the easiest making money, trading stocks and options and stuff like that, it is doable. Like, it's doable. Anybody can do it. I'm definitely trying it, because what I always remind myself when I just throw money into investing is that why would you just leave your money sitting there in an account? You know what I'm saying? Of course, if your account is accruing money like on top of your money, that's totally different. As for most checking and saving accounts, it's really just sitting there. Let's say you have $5,000 sitting in an account. You know, and that's just all you got. I would take, and I always think like this, why not have your money make money? Why not have your money make money? That's my goal. I just want to enlighten people that you can download a fucking app and start, you know what I'm saying, enlightening yourself on these companies, doing research on these companies that you know, spend your money on anyways, that all of these millions and billions of people spend their money on, and it's like you can get a chunk of that, you know what I'm saying? And then not only is there stocks and shares, but there's where you can get faster or more profitable return than just your regular stock share and shares and stuff like that. So I just wanted to give you the damn near basics. So that video will be coming out because everything's really recorded. I just gotta put the shit together.
Shout out on the hills, wanna trap me. Keeping that vanilla in the backseat. Running this shit like trap beats. Up to
Yeah, there you go. Pull up like that so y'all can see the shit looks cute or whatever, but honestly it don't matter. You feel me? It don't matter. For today's video, I decided to write hella notes. Life is life. You only get one life, so we don't have time to waste, but I'm figuring it out. It's a risk. It's costly, but it can also be rewarding. Okay, scale up. Just start small. Like, you don't have to like throw your all into it. Okay, start small and don't invest poorly. I literally invested poorly. Do not invest poorly. All right, I started stock trading January-ish. Like I say to download Robinhood, but I started with a TD Ameritrade account. If you know, you know. But if you don't know, I'll just go ahead and tell you. So basically, there's different platforms that you can stock trade on. Robinhood is a great beginner-friendly one, just because, I don't know, it's just so informational. It has a lot of good, like, beginner-friendly, like, little, what is it called? But it's just really good for beginners, just because it's really, you know, user-friendly. And TD Ameritrade is not. I basically was at a car dealership and my car salesman was like, he has a TD Ameritrade, you know, I see successful, you know, stock trader, listen to him, da, 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 da. And I go ahead and download TD Ameritrade. Let me tell you something. Tesla, I'll just pull up the receipts. In January-ish, and let me go ahead and check the facts. Currently, Tesla is at $716.98, significantly increased over the course of the last 5 years. But you see here, I heard so many good things about Tesla, and like I said, I started stock trading knowing nothing. I just wanted to hop in it. A big mistake. Do your research, okay? Don't just hop in it. Do your research on these companies. Just don't hop in it. Let me show you something. As you can see, January 7th, I remember buying Tesla when it was $8.50. With Robinhood, you can buy Amazon, Walmart, Tesla, this and that for $1. TD Ameritrade, share are up. It's not no $1 of nothing. It's you buy a share. When I hopped in the stock market trying to be grown, let me hurry up, let me get what's popping. I bought Tesla, my grown ass bought Tesla when it was $8.50. I bought it when it was $8.50. Okay? January 6th, it was $7.55. January 7th, it was January 6th, it was $7.55. January 7th, it was $8.16. January 8th, it was $8.80 as a high. And then January 12th, it got back down to $8.49. Basically, now you want to get started, download Robinhood. You can get Tesla. You can test it out. Basically, that's a mistake I made. I believe I also bought NEO in that account and Coke. Yeah, like I said, I'm scared to check that account. Or maybe whenever Tesla decides to go back up to $8.50, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully. Amazon's around $3,000, so yeah, $3,335. So you know, stocks can get up there, but it's just like, pick it up. Just because I decided to get in at the wrong time. You take your time on the platforms that you are trading on, as well as the stocks. Is it too high at the moment? Should I wait to buy it? Or, you know what I'm saying. One more thing that I wanted to remind you, last disclaimer, I am not your financial advisor. As you could probably tell by now, I'm literally just here telling you my experiences, my fuck ups, so you don't make them. If you have some amazing stock trading experiences, if you have any tips for me, please let me know. Like, DM me tips for me, please let me know. All about learning. Now, when it comes to school and shit, you can mess me with all the bullshit, but I'm down to learn for something that's actually gonna make a change. You know what let me stop. Why stocks? Why stocks? For me, so this whole shit is not, like I said, I'm not your financial advisor. Please don't take me seriously like a professor or nothing like that. Why stocks for me? First of all, why not? Like I said earlier, you're getting a chunk of the bigger corporations' chunks. You feel me? You're investing in these companies that are doing so great. Why not? You are investing in these companies. You're hoping that they do well. You're seeing that they do well. You're seeing that they're flourishing, taking millions of dollars from our pockets every day. Why not get a little chunk of that if you can? Like, it's a thing. So why not be in it? Why not, if you're having this extra coin like you say y'all do, flexing and shit like that, why not go ahead and just make that smart move and invest with a chunk of that? You know what I'm saying? If you can. Long term, thinking long term, like I said, my goal is financial freedom. So I know certain people have multiple trading accounts, and I'd definitely be open to that, because multiple trading accounts, each account can have different purposes. For me, it's like when I opened my TD Ameritrade in January, I basically was thinking about the long term. You feel me? Like, I'm buying Tesla because I think that in 20 years we're all going electric. Fuck this Mopar. I think that in 20 years, we're all gonna have to end up, because the world's going to shit. Let's talk about it. What's gonna happen tomorrow? I don't know. But basically, in my mind, when I bought Tesla, I'm thinking it's already up. Before it goes up even more, I didn't know that like the next week it might have went back down to 700. I was just thinking in the now, long term, Tesla's gonna be the shit. You feel me? NEO is basically the next Tesla. NEO is gonna blow up. Cause what? Because we're all going to electric in the future. You feel me? I'm thinking long term. So some people invest long term, some people invest short term. There's different ways to do that, and I'm gonna get into that too. Why else I said stocks? Generational wealth is something that people like to throw out there. Like I said, I don't even know the whole kids thing. You can miss me with but I think that if you have kids, no disrespect, please, I love your babies, please, I'll babysit whatever you want, but listen, just not for me right now. So generational wealth, I wouldn't say too much, but like I said, financial freedom. Wealth to me is just having enough to just do whatever the fuck I want. I don't want to have to worry about having a job and this and that to be good. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if I'm making sense, but so fun fact, I thought it was gonna be a beautiful little sunrise and shit like that. It ain't none of that. It ain't none of that. It's a pretty cloudy day, but it is pretty peaceful. So, but yeah, so I should have changed that to financial freedom. Fun fact too, I'm not just your regular 23-year-old just hopping into stocks. I used to have a financial advisor that took care of this shit for me. Used to. I think that if you can do this shit on your own, you're forever good. That's why I'm trying to tell you, even if I'm not teaching you anything with the actual stocks, just hop into the shit. Download Robinhood, study that shit. All these corporations you see, study that shit. When you first get your iPhone, I bet you stocks is an app on there. They put, ooh, Apple. That's why I'm invested in you, bitch. Oh, sorry, study that shit. The stocks app that comes on your iPhone, I don't have it because of my storage issues. That shit had trending news articles. That shit had the ticker symbols and all that bullshit. Study this shit, okay? If you know how to do this shit yourself, you will forever be good. Dividends, okay? A lot of people do not know. Like, I've seen a lot of YouTube videos. Keenan Grace, for example. I was watching him yesterday. Keenan. I'm so congested. Like, what's the day, bitch? If I am like down to the dog sick on Friday, bitch, it's Tuesday, August 3rd. Congested as hell. So I need to really get the fuck out of here. That's why I say if I'm down bad by Friday, Lord, please just be with me. Jesus. Now I let me down sleep. I pray for myself to keep if I should die before I wake. I pray the Lord myself to take. I'm just saying I need to hurry the fuck up and get out of here and go take some NyQuil and go to the CVS drive-thru to just make sure I'm okay. So yeah, so dividends. Basically, Keenan Grace said yesterday, literally on his live, he was looking up Mike Tyson's net worth. Different celebrities and stuff that had hundreds of millions of dollars that blew through it. Not knowing that they could have easily had passive income. Let's just not even throw Mike Tyson under the bus like that. Say you won the lottery, okay? You won $1 million. Woo! Okay, boom. So, like Keenan Grace said, the government's coming for half. All right, woo, my ass. Okay, let's say you got $500,000 now. If you sat there and blew through that shit, you could have literally invested in stocks that paid you just for being invested in them, which is passive income. I'm definitely invested in a couple stocks that are dividend paying stocks. I don't even know what all dividend paying stocks I'm in right now to like be specific. We will definitely get into that in like future videos if you're interested in that, because dividend paying stocks, if you have a portfolio with a lot of dividend paying stocks, like you're getting dividends, like you're getting paid them dividends, Pete. Like, yes, that's what we want. We want to get paid just because like we're appreciated. Okay, it's literally that. It's literally companies paying you just for being invested in them. That's what a dividend is.
But I be cool and trying to focus on them fucking dividends. But if it's money in your head, well, I'ma fucking get it, man.
Basically, if these people that hit the lottery and stuff like that were just smart enough to know that if you just invest $100,000 into these stocks, you will get paid this amount of money on top of that, on top of your return. Okay, I don't know if it's making sense. Hopefully you're following me. But yeah, dividends are an amazing way to go. They're gonna always come. It's gonna be a reoccurring thing. Okay, it's gonna hit your shit consistently. Some pay quarterly. I gotta do my research
on this a little more, but I think some pay more frequently than others. Some pay like just quarterly. Some pay monthly, I think. I really don't know.
Oh, like all the details and shit. But yeah, dividends are a go. Dividends are a definite plus to stocks, because why not get that little extra, you know what I'm saying, a little appreciation gift, like thank you. To the next section, different strategy. Just gonna bring that down into that category, because with dividends you have this thing called drip. Okay, yeah, put that drip on, but I'm really putting that drip on. Yeah, so drip is basically dividend reinvestment. When you're trading in Robinhood, they will ask you, do you want to enable drip? You want to enable drip. Even on TD Ameritrade, that little sad ass account, sad ass portfolio, I got drip enabled just because I think Coke is a dividend paying stock. Okay, I tried to be a little smart with it in January. Okay, Coke is a dividend paying stock. So what we're gonna do is, of course, turn that drip on. Dividends can be automatically reinvested. Like I said, if you have $5,000 and you're just investing 25 of that, let's say, just because, of course, your 25 is not gonna just stay a flat 25. That shit should grow some. Or even if you lose it, regardless of whether your account goes up or down, whatever you have invested in Coke, a percentage of that will be paid to you as your dividend. It can be paid to you, or with drip, you can automatically reinvest that into your account. DRIP is a dividend reinvestment plan, whereby cash dividends are reinvested to purchase more stock in the company. DRIPs use a technique called dollar cost averaging, intended to average out the price at which you buy stock as it moves up or down. Basically, yeah, they reinvest that shit for you. Like it said, whereby cash dividends. Dividends are cash. Like, You don't have to reinvest it. You don't have to enable drip, but why would you not make your money make money? You feel me? Automatically. Different strategies that you can do. You can buy or sell shares. Buy low, sell high. I remember trying to get into the foreign exchange market and shit like that, but I know it's the same concept over there. Whatever market it seems like, you're gonna buy low, sell high. That's what shares, options, anything. Let's go to Amazon. So Amazon is $3,335 right. Either buy a share of a stock or buy, you know, 50 cents worth of a stock, or you're gonna sell a share of a stock if you have one already, or you're gonna sell 50 cents worth of what you own. You feel me? So it's either you're buying shares or you're selling your shares. Okay, that's the stock market. And basically people just try to find that, you know, when I buy low, it's gonna go up. And then, I mean, people just hold. Like, you're supposed to hold. Like I said, I never really was thinking about selling the bitch. I'm so excited to actually get in on these companies, buy them and hold them. Like, you're investing in these companies, you're expecting them to go up. You feel me? So you just want to buy them and hold them. Try not to sell them. I mean, you can sell them, it's your shit, it's your money. So yeah, basically you can buy, you know, a portion of a company or sell a portion of the company that you own. Or there's another method called options trading. Not necessarily a method even, just like a way of trading, I guess you could say. Options trading is a damn surely much more complex than just your regular buy, sell, and buy. Let's actually just go ahead and do the examples with the buy and sell first. When you buy in dollars, this is what I was talking about. TD Ameritrade does not give you this option. Okay, you can buy in dollars. $1 is better than the whole damn 3,000. I bet you that. Go ahead and trade $1 worth of Amazon, or you could even buy half a share of Amazon. You could buy a fifth a share of Amazon. You could do it like that. You could do it so many different ways. Same concept when you go to sell. You can sell in shares or dollars, but when you go to trade options, okay, baby, trade options is you think it's going up or down. It's really not that complex, but basically you're just choosing whether or not you think the stock is going up or down. This is why I say Robinhood is so user friendly. Okay, shit like this. You think that it's gonna go up by August 6th, August 13th, August 20th, August 27th, September 3rd, all the way, no, they got until June 2023. Basically, I just would do the closest one because, you know what I'm saying, I like to play it safe for now. Like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing really. Like Robinhood said, if you think it's gonna go up, you're gonna buy a call. Buying a call gives you the right to buy 100 shares of the stock. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I have not done all my research when it comes to buying a call is what I have done though. If you think the stock is going up at any time,
For August 27th, then you have the right to buy 100 shares of Amazon for $7,000.
if you think it's going down, you could buy a put. Okay, so either way you can make money. All right, you can make money on the way up or down. All right, and we will get into all those details in a later video if needed. I'll honestly, like I said, this video is really just to give y'all some motivation, a little push to get started if you are not already. And if you are invested already, do some research to just elevate your portfolio, because why not? Black Girl Stocks, I love her channel. She taught me options and stuff like that. She gives you like option trading, you know, plays for the week advice, just everything like that. It's 144 when I bought it. I was saying that I thought it would go up. When it finally went past that shit, I sold it. So I made a little profit, okay? We're gonna go ahead and get off of this topic just because I'm not trying to stress you out, stress myself out. But basically, options trading is a wonderful, wonderful method to get into. It is much more profitable than your regular buying a share of Tesla,
Buying a share of Amazon, or selling a share of Amazon or Tesla.
Options trading, as you can see, it's a little faster. Your dates, you gotta stay on that shit, okay? Options trading is a little different, very much more profitable. You see a much faster return. I would definitely advise getting into that, because why not? Also, the last kind of strategies I want to discuss. All right, so basically you could be a day trader or short-term trader, or, you know, just trading for the quick profit, or you could be a long-term trader, as like I said I was in the beginning. Maybe 5 years down the line, maybe you're thinking 5 years down the line, maybe you're thinking 10, maybe you're thinking 20, it don't matter. Long-term trading, a buy and you're gonna hold, period, okay? In my mind, like I said, please do not take my, you know, what I'm saying with a grain of salt.
or however the fuck that saying goes.
I'm literally just telling you like my mindset, okay? My channel, my mindset, not your financial advisor. Short term's just like the day to day. I love to compare the short term to Forex. People buying shit in and out, it seemed like, making that quick profit. Cool, like yeah, we all love a quick profit. That shit can be risky. Like I said, the more return you want, the more you're gonna have to put in. So keep that in mind too. Long term goes hand in hand with the growth aspect of, you know, the strategies that you could do. Long term is just buying and holding to me versus the options trading. The options trading seems to me more so like a short-term thing, but as we saw, options trading can be long-term too. If you want to pick that June 2023, that's so risky because it's so far out. It's hovering around like 40 now. If you want to say NEO might blast to 100 by 2022, then you're really going to be in the green. You're going to see some profit. Take a chunk, invest it into yourself because you deserve it. Okay, long term, at least buy some shit that you know is going to be forever, like Amazon, Walmart, and shit like that, and just hold it. What did little baby say?
I got sauce in me in my chair.
Also, the fuck? I wax for European Wax Center right now, right? The company is going public August 3rd. The company is going public August 5th. Do you know what going public means? I put it right there if you don't. Whether you want to invest in it or not, it's a thing. If you want to get in it, get in it. If you don't, you don't. Just watch from the sidelines. But this is for people that just want to try it. You know what I'm saying? Just want to dibble dab and just try it. Like, the stock market has been doing me pretty good. Like I said, I was fucking hyped when I saw that my portfolio was up 139. Honey, you couldn't tell me nothing. And like I said, imagine if you put even more into it. Imagine if I put more than $200 in it initially. Who knows where how much it would have been up by May 7th. Fuck everything I'm talking about. Like I said, if I would have watched this shit thoroughly 2 days ago, 3 days ago, like, she literally said, it might hit a breakout by next week. Currently at $77 when she posted this.